Hello and welcome to ESL Revolution, everyone. I am your content creator and professor, Dr. B. Not a real doctor. How are you today? And welcome back. This is video 3 for the Padlet Shorts. As you can see, I'm just running doing a couple of today so that I don't have to do them over the next couple of days because of the Chinese New Year holiday here in Korea. So if you happen to be participating in that somewhere around the world, congratulations to you as well. Okay, this is going to be a short because this one is actually very, very easy to explain. I'm sure there's lots of different ways in which you can use this particular pad, but I do want to go into it anyway. The third one is called Stream. Now, Stream, if we select this, we're just going to go into, let's do this here. Oh. We're going to do, no. There we go. What's going on? Keep working. There we go. Okay, so Padlet Stream. This is an example of using Stream. Okay, there we go. Now, again, I like to use my own stuff here. So, upload pic file. Where did it go? It should be here. Nope. Oh, that's interesting. They were here before. So, okay, well, let's put them all back then. For some reason, there we go. Excellent. And we want our wallpaper, of course. We're going to upload. That's weird because last time the pictures were saved here in memory. So maybe they only get saved for a certain amount of time. I don't know that actually, but that's okay. No problems there. Keep working. Okay, and we are going to set our font. We are going to set attribution, check, comments, check, require approval, check, and click next. Okay, so we're on our Padlet Stream. Now, what Padlet Stream allows us to do is kind of like a ticker, right? It's going to have the most recent comment at the top, and subsequent comments are going to follow below. So let's say, hi everyone, talk about one thing you really enjoyed about your weekend. Boy, I'm having trouble typing this morning. There we go. Let's go back in. There we go. Okay. And exclamation. Good. Okay. So there's my stuff. Now people are going to comment in here. There's going to be, so let's say had a very relaxed Saturday. Went to the mall. Okay, so we've got, so things are popping up right now. If another question pops up, you're going to see that it's going to go above the current question. Okay, so it's always going to keep the most current question at the top. Now, this can be particularly helpful if you have the stream could be used for asking specific questions in the class. So let's say ESL. Let's have ESL grammar. Wow, man, I'm just not doing well today. There we go. All right, so we've got that one. And then I've got, let's say, TPR activities. There we go. Okay. Now, so you can start seeing here that I have these things here kind of as 1, 2, 3. Now, what is the difference between there, and there? Okay, so the subject itself is one that will remain on the top. Now I can do this. So I can shift them around. Perhaps I want one that is highlighted. So I want to keep that highlighted Q&A at the very top because I think it's important. So because maybe I'm going to direct students there in the classroom. So I want the students to, let's say I'm in a class and I want to say one thing you've learned today. Okay, so let's say this is this particular question here is kind of a follow-up question. It's a knowledge check. It's an awareness check of what was taught in the class. And I want all of the students to jump online. They're going to use their phones or their tablet or whatever in the classroom, and they're going to just go in and put an answer into that particular stream. And then what I can do is I can go in and I can check that stream. Now I don't need to have that stream at the top. I've gone ahead and checked it. Great. So now I can put that down at the bottom because it's still there, but I don't need it to be highlighted for the entire time. Okay, because I'd rather have, let's say I'd rather have TPR activities up at the very top because I want students to look for the TPR, total physical response. I want students to look for those activities themselves, post their answers here so then we can do them in the class. And I want that one highlighted, so I want it to stay up on top. So that's how the stream works, and that's what you can do in a classroom. Now, of course, there's lots of different activities that we can use for the stream. This is a demonstration purpose video on how you can use that and manage it by flipping one question up at the top to highlight it. But of course, if you have any of your own ideas on how to use the stream in Padlet, go ahead, make a comment below. If you had not subbed up yet, please do so. Hit the notification button, and videos will come to you through YouTube every day. All right, thanks very much, everybody. Have a great day. Enjoy your holiday if you are participating. If not, we will catch you tomorrow on the flip side. Take care, everybody. Peace.